So in this video, what I want to do is to show you exactly how you can start making appreciable income using affiliate marketing. And I'm focusing on CPA affiliate marketing in the forex niche, where you get up to $1,000 per qualified client. And if that sounds too good to be true, I'm going to show you exactly this result on my dashboard right here. As you can see that right here, you can see I have a commission of $1,000 from just one lead. And let me also show you the commission plan right here so you can understand exactly what I'm talking about. So right here, you can see that this particular network I'm working with have different commission plans depending on the country, depending on the geo. So for some countries, I get paid up to $1,000 in commission, and for some others, I get $750, and also for some others, I get paid for like $500. Okay, let me scroll down. You can see the list on and on of all the countries. So the minimum payout for this particular network that I'm showing you guys pays out $500. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you'll be able to sign up with this platform and start promoting, and not just starting to promote, knowing exactly what to do, how to drive the traffic, and how to make these commissions. I will show you exactly what works, what I'm doing currently that is working for me. It is not theory, and it's going to be practical. All right. Now, apart from these commissions, there are other platforms too that pay as much as $150, $200, $350, depending on your negotiations. So that means it largely depends on the network you're using, how you negotiate the deals, and what kind of deals that you get, and the type of traffic you're going to be driving. So what all this whole thing is about is CPA affiliate marketing in the forex niche. And how it works is that you go out there, sign up with a particular network or a particular broker, get the best deal from them, and then start promoting them to trading audience or to people who are interested in trading forex. And when you get them those clients, when those clients sign up with your unique link, which is your affiliate link, and complete certain actions, over time your lead gets qualified and you stand the opportunity to make as much as $1,000 from each lead. And just imagine if you can get at least 10 qualified leads in a month, that is already $10,000 in a single month, and that is very, very possible. Over here, when you come on Google and search CPA deals in forex niche, you're going to see a lot of CPA deals to sign up with. So there are a lot of them, so you can just go through and choose the one that you want to. So for example, this one right here, Vantage, you can earn up to $1,200 with Vantage Forex CPA affiliate program. But stick to the end. I'm going to give you the exact formula so that you remove all the guesswork and do exactly what is working. Now, after you have signed up with the forex broker, there are three things that you need to be able to master for you to be able to make these commissions. The first thing is to be able to drive traffic. So the reason why these networks are paying you is because you are bringing them clients who over time would use their services. So the lifetime value of that client is much more than what they are paying you. All right. So that is the whole idea of this affiliate marketing. Now, driving quality traffic is very, very important, because it is the type of traffic that you drive that will determine the type of commissions you're going to be getting. For example, I showed you the different commission rates right here. You can see that when you're driving traffic from countries like Australia, UK, those first tier countries, your commissions is in the range of $1,000. Now, how are you going to be able to drive those kind of traffic when you're not living in those kind of locations? All right, so there are two methods of driving traffic. The first method is the organic method, and what this organic method entails is that you are going to open up Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook accounts and begin to post content related to forex. All right, and then build that account. Over time, you're going to get people interested, and when someone wants to start trading, then you can give them your unique link and they are going to sign up. Or you can also create YouTube channel and start educating people about forex. That's if you have the knowledge already. Now, the second way of driving traffic is through paid ads, and this is one of the fastest way. Even though it's going to cost some amount of money for you to run ads, to invest into ads, but it is way worth it because the return on investment sometimes can be up to as high as 10x, sometimes even 20x. So imagine if you are spending, let's say, a couple of $100 and you are making a commission of up to $1,000. So even if you spent $100 to be able to get one qualified FTD, that's more like 10 times off your ad spend. So sometimes you don't even spend up to that. So if you understand how to run paid ads for this type of offers, then that would be the fastest way of getting this type of commissions. All right, so that is that for traffic, because you need to first of all generate traffic to these offers, to your affiliate links, and how best to generate the traffic. The second thing you need to take into consideration is your offer. Now, your offer is what you're going to be giving as maybe as a lead magnet to your clients to be able to, sign up using your link. Are you going to be giving them a freebies, maybe a free tutorial or a training, or are you going to, help them with the setup or whatever thing that you're going to be giving to them, or you're going to be giving them like a trading assistance or, knowledge, whatever that you're going to be providing to your client, that is your offer. And your offer has to be very irresistible, that they would really want to, sign up using your link or want to get on board through your referral. And once you have that offer in place, then the next thing will now be the conversion process. So for the conversion process, it now depends on how you're going to be doing your conversion. Are you going to be closing them on one-on-one, on call, through your WhatsApp, or through email, or what means are you going to use to close your clients to make sure that they keep trading and so that they'll be able to qualify? So these are the three things that once you have all of them in place, then you are more likely to succeed with this type of affiliate marketing. So like I said, I have a program that will take you through all of these steps that you can just begin right now and be able to know the exact thing to do. So once you come on board the program, you're going to be exposed to all the secrets, to everything that you need to be able to make this type of commissions. I'm not just giving you access to my course, I'm also going to be hopping on a one-on-one mentorship with you guys. Okay, if you're interested to get on board, because I want to build an affiliate team. I want to build a team of affiliates that are doing great numbers. So if you are interested and this sounds like what you really want to do, then I'm inviting you to join my team of affiliates, and you can do that by clicking the first link in the description of the video to be able to join. So inside that mentorship, I am going to show you exactly what is working. I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you what I am doing right now that is working, that is making me to be able to get this type of commissions. And it's not just going to be you going through the courses alone. You're going to have someone that will show you the direction of what to do. So you might have heard about CPA marketing in the past, or you might have tried it and you failed, or maybe you signed up for a program and then you got abandoned along the way. This is going to be different because it's going to be a sort of one-on-one mentorship, and it's going to be tailored towards your own unique standpoint or where you are right now. So if you're interested, then check it out, and I hope it's going to be way worth it for you. So this is not going to be forever. It's not going to be open forever, because right now I still have a couple of time to be able to do this. I'm sure in the next future I might not have that time to be able to do one-on-one as I am doing right now for this particular system. So I'm looking at maybe helping 10 to 20 persons to be able to do this and make it work for themselves. So if you are that one person, or if you think you're in that category, then go ahead and apply and let's do this. And I hope you got some value from this. I'll see you in my next video.